My name is Boštjan, and this is my friend Mitja. Mitja is a professional soccer coach, and what that means every day is that he gets to train 20 kids how to play soccer. But you know how kids are. They are running around, fighting each other, jumping, screaming, everything else basically but training soccer. So a lot of times Mitja is very frustrated about it, and when we would go for beer, he would be complaining all the time. And after a while, we kind of had enough of him. So we decided to tackle this problem and started thinking about how we could get the kids to be more engaged and more motivated. So we kind of came up with this idea where we would use gamification, and he would score his trainees based on their performance on games, speed, agility, and accuracy, and things like that. And it will all boil down to first to this Excel-based prototype, which we gave it to him so we would test it out. And after a few weeks of trying it, he came back and he was like, guys, this is incredible. They're actually listening, they're motivated, and they're actually engaged in the trainings. I can't believe it. And what's even more interesting is that even the parents contacted me about what I'm doing with the trainees, because they're actually practicing at home and they're not playing video games anymore, basically. And what happened is that in the trainees' minds, all of a sudden they have this scoring system, and they really like it because they can compete, and they actually can see the progress while they train in a shorter period.
Did you know that for 1 million views on YouTube, you will earn only $1,000? And that YouTube is taking 45% commission from you? If you compare these two guys, Paul Logan, that has 14 million likes on Facebook and earns around 0.5 million per year, and Tom Cruise, that has 11 million likes on Facebook and earns around 100 million per year, we can see how big is the difference. We are on the mission to provide the social online celebrities with better monetization models, and our solution is speed. A place where they can turn exclusive content into income. Now let me show you how it works. It's very simple.
And as a dog owner, I see a problem. Every time I go to walk out my own dog, Lena, I see other pets behaving terrible. Too many cases when dogs are running from their owners, when they're being aggressive, and when a dog is dangerous to you or your loved ones. So, I'm not sure how many of you here have a dog, but I'm sure that all of us here, the next time we see one, we want to see this. Every dog loved, educated, and trained. And to achieve this, we need to motivate the dog owners today and show them the new and right way to teach their dogs. And this is the reason and the mission that we have created Canal.
So with Hire Hunt, you can go from open position to a hire 3 times faster in just 24 days instead of 3 months. And you will have to spend 1 hour of your direct work instead of 20. No calls, no emails, no physical meetings.
With our product, you save time. You don't get burned. You save money. But the end, it's more easy and more fun to do. And result, smiley faces and better coffee. Would you drink your coffee from the machine look like this? Probably yes, because you don't even know.
My own dog, Lena, is no longer just a well-trained dog. She is now level 73, puppy sergeant, with 12 different achievements. So every success is now measurable and can be shared on any social media.
Yes, we have 3 main competitors, and they're doing just great. But we have created tools and strategies that makes us to stand out. Firstly is proactive matching algorithm. It collects data points from the job description and matches it with the best fitting recruiter. Secondly is proactive candidate suggestion, which means that we help recruiters to utilize their own database of candidates and use it more effectively. Thirdly is collaborative position execution, which means that several recruiters work on one position at the same time to deliver results much faster.